Hello, friends. Today we'll quickly understand three very important parts of speech: noun, pronoun, and verb. Let's begin. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Ram, Delhi, book, happiness. In short, nouns are naming words. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun, so we don't repeat the same name again and again. Examples: he, she, it, they, we, you, I. Instead of saying Ram is a boy, Ram is smart, we say Ram is a boy. He is smart. So pronouns make sentences simple and clear. A verb is a word that shows action or state of being. Examples: run, eat, play, is, am, are. When we say the cat runs or she is happy, the verbs are runs and is. So verbs are doing words. So remember, noun is a name, pronoun replaces noun, and verb shows action. That's it. Easy, right?